Welcome to our roundup of the best portable induction cooktops. Whether you're cooking in a small apartment, upgrading your kitchen setup, or need a reliable solution for travel or outdoor use, we've selected top-rated induction cooktops that combine efficiency, safety, and modern features. We'll break down each model's key specs, like power output, temperature control, safety features, portability, and ease of use to help you find the perfect fit for your cooking needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal portable induction cooktop for you. The first on the list is the AMZ Chef Portable Induction Cooktop. The AMZ Chef Cooktop is designed for users who want both versatility and precision in a compact form. Featuring dual cooking zones, touch control panel, and 9 power levels, this model gives you the flexibility to prepare multiple dishes at once without sacrificing control. Its dual burner design is especially useful for families or those who want to cook full meals quickly. The sleek glass surface not only looks modern, but is also easy to clean, saving time after cooking. Performance-wise, this cooktop offers consistent heating with efficient energy use. Each burner operates independently, allowing you to simmer delicate sauces on one side while boiling water or frying on the other. The 9 power levels provide a wide range of temperature options, making it suitable for everything from low heat melting to high temperature searing. The responsive touch controls ensure quick adjustments, which is especially helpful when timing matters in recipes. Safety is also a major highlight. Overall, the AMZ Chef Cooktop delivers excellent versatility, solid performance, and dependable safety features, making it a great choice for users who want a dual-burner solution in a portable format. Next up is the NewWave ProChef Induction Cooktop. The NewWave ProChef is built for precision cooking and professional-level performance at home. With precise temperature control, large cooking surface, and NSF certification, it stands out as a reliable option for serious home cooks and even light commercial use. Its temperature control system allows adjustments in small increments, giving you unmatched accuracy when cooking delicate dishes. This cooktop excels in delivering consistent heat across the cooking surface. Whether you are simmering, sautéing, or boiling, the temperature remains stable, which is essential for achieving perfect results. The large cooking area accommodates bigger pots and pans, making it suitable for preparing meals for multiple people. Its intuitive digital controls make it easy to fine-tune settings without guesswork. Durability is another strong point. Built with high-quality materials, the NewWave ProChef is designed to withstand frequent use. The NSF certification adds an extra layer of trust, indicating that it meets strict standards for safety and performance. This makes it a great option not just for home kitchens, but also for shared spaces or small food setups. In terms of safety, it includes auto shutoff, overheating protection, and a secure surface that only heats cookware, reducing the risk of burns. The cooktop also cools down quickly after use, making it safer to handle and store. Overall, the NewWave ProChef offers outstanding precision, durability, and cooking efficiency, making it perfect for users who want professional-grade results in a portable induction cooktop. Next, we have the Changbert Induction Cooktop. The Changbert cooktop is a powerful and durable option designed for heavy-duty performance. Featuring commercial-grade build, 1800-watt power, and stainless steel housing, this model is built to handle demanding cooking tasks with ease. It's especially suitable for users who need a tough, long-lasting cooktop for frequent use. Performance is where this cooktop truly shines. With its strong 1800-watt output, it heats up quickly and maintains stable temperatures even during extended cooking sessions. This makes it ideal for boiling, frying, and other high-heat cooking methods. The controls are straightforward and responsive, allowing users to switch between power levels easily. The stainless steel construction not only enhances durability, but also gives it a professional look. Unlike glass-only designs, this build can better withstand impacts and heavy cookware. It's a great option for kitchens where durability is a top priority. Safety features include auto shutoff, voltage protection, and a stable base that prevents slipping during use. The cooktop is also designed to handle long hours of operation without overheating, making it reliable for extended cooking sessions. Despite its robust build, it remains relatively portable and easy to store. It's a bit heavier than standard models, but that added weight contributes to its stability and durability. Cleaning is simple thanks to its smooth surface and minimal crevices. Overall, the Changbert cooktop stands out for its durability, power, and reliability, making it an excellent choice for users who need a heavy-duty portable induction cooktop. Next up is the Hamilton Beach Portable Single Induction Cooktop. The Hamilton Beach cooktop is a user-friendly option designed for everyday convenience. With simple one-touch controls, lightweight design, and quick heating performance, it offers a hassle-free cooking experience for beginners and casual users alike. Its straightforward interface makes it easy to start cooking without a learning curve. This cooktop heats up quickly and distributes heat efficiently, allowing you to prepare meals faster than traditional methods. The preset cooking modes simplify the process, letting you choose the right setting for common tasks like boiling or frying. It's perfect for quick meals, reheating, or small batch cooking. Portability is one of its biggest advantages. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, move, or store, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or travel use. Despite its compact size, it delivers reliable performance for daily cooking needs. Overall, the Hamilton Beach cooktop provides excellent value, ease of use, and reliable performance, making it a great choice for beginners or anyone looking for a simple, portable cooking solution. The last one on our list is the Duxtop 1800-watt Portable Induction Cooktop. The Duxtop 1800-watt is one of the most popular and well-balanced options available today. Featuring 1800-watt power output, digital control panel, and 20 power levels, it offers a perfect combination of performance, flexibility, and affordability. This cooktop is designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks with precision. Its powerful heating system ensures fast and efficient cooking, while the 20 power levels give you fine control over temperature. Whether you're simmering delicate sauces or searing meat, this cooktop delivers consistent results. The digital control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Energy efficiency is another key benefit. The Duxtop cooktop uses induction technology to heat cookware directly, reducing energy loss and speeding up cooking times. This not only saves time, but also lowers electricity usage compared to traditional stoves. Safety features include a child safety lock, auto shutoff, and voltage warning system. The cooktop also includes a timer function, allowing you to set cooking durations and focus on other tasks without worry. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, while its compact size ensures it fits well in any kitchen space. Overall, the Duxtop 1800-watt cooktop delivers excellent performance, user-friendly controls, and dependable safety features, making it one of the best portable induction cooktops for everyday use. So, that's it for the best portable induction cooktops on the market. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.